Ever found yourself captivated by the enticing aromas of essential oils? Perhaps you've marveled at the myriad of wellness benefits they offer, from stress relief to skin nourishment. We're diving into the art of creating homemade essential oils. The journey of crafting your own essential oils starts with choosing a carrier oil. This forms the base of your essential oil and helps dilute the potent extracts. There's a smorgasbord of options out there, but some favorites include coconut oil, jojoba oil, and sweet almond oil. Each of these has unique properties that can enhance your essential oil experience. Next, it's time to select your star players, the flowers and citrus fruits. Roses, lavender, and chamomile are the queens of the flower world, offering soothing and calming effects. On the citrus front, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are popular choices, providing invigorating and uplifting scents. Now onto the creating process. Start by placing your chosen flowers or citrus peels into a jar, then cover them with your carrier oil. Seal the jar and let it sit in a sunny spot for at least 24 hours, allowing nature to do its magic. After this infusion period, simply strain the mixture to separate the oil. Voila, you've made your first homemade essential oil. There's a universe of ways to use these oils. Add a few drops to a bath for a relaxing soak, use them for a soothing massage, or even incorporate them into homemade skincare products. The possibilities are as boundless as your creativity. Storing your homemade essential oils is crucial for preserving their quality. Dark glass bottles are the way to go, as they protect the oils from light and heat. And why not add a personal touch with a handmade label? These little details make your essential oils perfect for gifting, spreading the joy of aromatherapy to your loved ones. So to recap, select a carrier oil, choose your flowers or citrus, infuse them in a sunny spot, strain the mixture, and enjoy your homemade essential oils. Remember to store them in dark glass bottles and feel free to get creative with labels. Crafting your own essential oils is more than a DIY project. It's a journey of discovery, a dance with nature, and a path to wellness. So why not give it a try? The world of aromatherapy awaits. Subscribe to our channel and become a part of our creative community. Follow us at jarsofflavor.com. Let's explore, create, and discover together.